Hello guys, today I want to discuss an interview and I gave this interview on 27th May 2025 and the company name is the Indigene Limited Bangalore. So first part I have already discussed. Now this is the second part of that interview. They asked me Laravel latest version. So I said Laravel 12. Ensure your system is running PHP 8.2 or higher. Okay. So for Laravel 12 you need PHP running 8.2 or higher. They asked me routes in CI3. So I said route file location. Route are defined in this file like application config routes.php. Okay, this is the CI3. Then they asked me database connection in CodeIgniter 3. So step 1, configure database settings. Open the file application config and then database.php. So here you have one variable $db default array and then you have the host name, username, password, database and many more things. So mainly we have the four things: host name, username, password and database name. Okay, so then step 2 is the autoload the database. So application config and autoload.php. There is a line called the autoload library equal to array. So change it into autoload library equal to array and inside that you have to write the database. Step 3, use the database in controller model. So query in controller public function index, query this db get users, data users query result, this log view user list data. So the summary is file and action. Application slash config slash database.php. Action is set database credentials. Then file application config autoload.php, optionally autoload database. Then controller slash models, use this db for queries. They asked me database queries in CodeIgniter 3 model. So I said in CodeIgniter 3 you typically write database queries inside models using the active records, that is the query builders, for clean and secure SQL operations. So create a model, go inside the model, that is application and then models. Then create a file application slash models slash user underscore model dot php. So here you have a model. Okay, so first of all public function get users and return this db get users result. Fetch user id, so it will fetch the all the users. Okay, so again I'm saying that fetch all the users. How? Public function get users, return this db get users result. If you want to fetch only one id or some specific IDs, so public function get user id, then return this db get where user id equal to id row. If you want to insert new row in the table, so public function insert user db, return this db insert user data. If you want to update user table, public function user id data, return this db where id update user data. If you want to delete user, public function delete user, return this db where id equal to id delete users. Okay, so just a second, I have used this. Okay, so load model in controller. This load model user this user model get users. So common query builder functions and their purpose. This db get table means select star from table. This db get where table id 1, it means select with where. This db insert table data insert into table. This db update table data update table set. This db delete table delete from table. Example uses in controller public function index. This load model user model. This user model get users. This load view user data data. So summary is select. This db get users result. Where this db get where user id row. Insert this db insert users data. Update this db where id update users data. Delete this db where id 1 delete users. They ask me comparison between the CI CodeIgniter 3 and 4. Okay, so CodeIgniter 3 release year is 2015 and CodeIgniter 4 2020. 2020. PHP requirement in CodeIgniter 3 PHP 5.6 plus and in CodeIgniter 4 PHP 7.4 plus. Also sometimes they recommended 8.1 plus. Okay. Architecture basic MVC in CodeIgniter 3 and CodeIgniter 4 MVC with namespace and better separation. Folder structure in CodeIgniter 3 application or system folder. In the case of CodeIgniter app system public writable. Auto loading in CodeIgniter 3 manually via config file. In CodeIgniter 4 PSR4 plus Composer autoload. Routing basic routes.php. CodeIgniter 4 advanced route groups filter closures. Migration system in CodeIgniter 3 not available. In CodeIgniter 4 built-in like Laravel. Schema table creations manual via SQL PHP MyAdmin. In the case of the CodeIgniter for PHP Spark make migration plus forge create table. CLI tool that is command line interface not included in CodeIgniter 3. In CodeIgniter 4 PHP Spark command line. Testing in CodeIgniter 3. No built-in testing in CodeIgniter 4 PHP unit integration. Oops, namespace in CodeIgniter 3 no. In CodeIgniter 4 fully namespace PSR4. Security feature in CodeIgniter 3 basics XSS CSRF. In the case of CodeIgniter 4 improve CSP headers and filters. Email libraries in CodeIgniter 3 yes and in CodeIgniter 4 yes. Form validation in CodeIgniter 3 yes basic. CodeIgniter 4 more robust with custom rule support. Helpers in CodeIgniter 3 built-in helpers in CodeIgniter 4 same but more organized and extendable. CodeIgniter 3 basic CI model. CodeIgniter 4 enhanced model soft delay time sprint etc. Multilingual support yes in CodeIgniter 3. In CodeIgniter 4 yes improved language handling. Session handling in CodeIgniter 3 file based on database. CodeIgniter 4 file DB Redis Memcached. In the case of the CodeIgniter 3 filter and middleware not available in CodeIgniter 3. In the case of CodeIgniter 4 built-in filters like Laravel middleware. Hooks in CodeIgniter 3 available. In CodeIgniter 4 still supported but filter preferred. In CodeIgniter 3 API readiness is manual. In CodeIgniter 4 easier setup with the filters and RESTful routing. So these are the comparison. Okay. If you want to migrate from CI3 to CI4, then what all things you have to change? So first of all, install the fresh CodeIgniter 4 using Composer or any other method. Then set up configs. Then migrate controllers. Then migrate models. Then move views. Now rewrite routes. Port libraries helpers. Use migration. Test everything manually. And PHP test optional. They ask me tables of 2 without using the loop. Okay. So I said PHP function table of 2 if $n is equal to 1. If $n is greater than 10 then return. Otherwise echo 2 into $n equal to 2 into n. Then table of 2 $n+1 recursive fall, table of 2 start from 1. They asked me SEO how to increase efficiency of the front end and back end. So answer, SEO stands for the search engine optimization. It's the process of improving website to increase its visibility on search engine like Google, Bing, etc. More visibility, more traffic, more users, customers. How SEO works in short. Search engine use bots, that is crawlers, to scan your website. They look at your content, structure, speed and links to decide how to rank your site in search result. Tool for SEO: Google Search Console, Google Analytics, Yoast SEO for WordPress, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Moz for research and backlinks, GTmetrix, Page Speed Insight for speed. Question number 18. Git conflict. What will you do? Answer. When you encounter a Git conflict, it means Git could not automatically merge changes because the name parts of a file were changed differently in the two branches of commit. Here, what you should do step by step. Identify the conflict. After a merge to pull, Git will notify you about your conflicts and mark conflict files. Open the conflict files. You will see conflict marker like had your changes here. So incoming change here, branch name. Resolve the conflict manually. Decide which code to keep. You change incoming changes or a mix. Edit the file to remove conflicts markers and fix the code. Mark the conflict as resolved. Once fixed, stays the resolved file. Git add path to conflict file. Complete the merge, then commit. Git commit, or if you are doing a pull with no commit, run git merge continue. Tips to avoid conflict or make resolving easier. Pull rebash frequently to stay updated. Communicate with your team about big changes. Use smaller focus commit and branches. Use good merge tool like the VS Code, Git Kraken, or command line tools like the Vim diff. So this is the second part of the interview, and the company name is the Indegene Limited, Bangalore, and the interview date was the May 27, 2025. I will share the third part of this interview question. Till then, bye.